Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun makeup tutorial and review. Everything I actually tried on for the very first time except the Gold Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder, but everything else I tried today for the first time on camera, and it is the HAUS LABS by Lady Gaga makeup collection. I did go to her event and I got to meet her, and it was super exciting and super surreal to have met someone that I've been listening to for so long and someone that I've admired for so long, and now she has a makeup line, and through this beauty guru journey I got to meet her and it was so amazing. So thank you so much, Lady Gaga, for taking the time to meet us at your HAUS LABS event. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing this tutorial. It's actually this look. I feel like I came up with a singer rock star look. I was just playing around with the colors and the items and the lips, and I was like, you know what, this is definitely a rock star look. Just like Lady Gaga. I know she's a pop star. Okay, so maybe this is pop star, but I feel like with the black and everything, it feels like a rock star look. So yeah, rock star, pop star, whatever you want to call it. This is the tutorial. So if you guys want to see this HAUS LABS makeup tutorial, please keep watching this video. This is actually the full PR package. I actually got a goodie bag there, so I used all the items there. And I'll actually just open it with you guys because I unboxed it on my Insta stories. I want to show you guys on camera. So it's like a cool pyramid thing, and then this is the pamphlet that shows you everything and what's inside, and you guys know it's available on Amazon. These are actually the armor, so it comes with these armor masks, and they're like stickers. I actually was gonna put some on for this tutorial, but I wanted to keep it like this so I can like go to some party after, you know? So this one is actually the wing eyeliner that you can put on, but I actually used her eyeliner, and you guys will see in the video like how I really loved it, so I don't want to ruin it by putting this on. And this one is the armor that you put on around your eyes, so it's like a mask. But it looks like this. This is the full collection. These are all of the Glam Attack liquid shimmer powders. I actually used 3 of them, so you guys will see that in the tutorial. Some lip liners, the Rip lip liners that I used as well, and then some lip glosses on the top, and the eyeliner, which is amazing. So if you guys want to see me review everything and use it on my face, please keep watching this video. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so click on the subscribe button below if you haven't already. And if you guys like videos like this, make sure to thumbs up the video. And without further ado, let's get started on this pop star, rock star makeup tutorial. Okay guys, as always, I'm going to start with the eyes because I'm going to be doing a dramatic eye. So I'm going to prime my eyelids with this Milani eyeshadow primer. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. I'm going to be using brushes from MOTD Cosmetics, and they are vegan, cruelty-free brushes. And then I'm going to take this Lorac Diamond palette, and I'm going to use this light color right here. The color is called Carrot, and I'm going to put it all over my lids as a base. Everyone's lining up to see her. And then I'm going to take another one of the MOTD Cosmetic brushes, and I'm going to take the color Posh. Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. And I'm going to do the eyeshadow halfway up my lid. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. And that kind of just creates like a lid shade underneath the HAUS LABS glitter I'm going to be using. And I've tried it already before and I love it so much. Since I got it gifted from the HAUS LABS event, I've been using it. So this is the HAUS LABS Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder, and this color is called Legend, and it's a really pretty gold color. And I'm gonna actually put it on my lids halfway. The The really amazing thing about this Glam Attack liquid shimmer powder is that it's actually movable. Even though it looks like it would just dry right away, it's wet at first and you can move it around after you apply it. So it's not like it just like dries and sticks to your eye. You can like move it and then it'll dry according to how you place it. So I think that's really cool because sometimes when you put on glitter and then you mess up, you want to be able to like move it and like just be able to play with it. So I think it's really cool, and it's also buildable. Like it is super glittery, but you can build it.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.
So right now I have like this golden kind of warm orangey gold look, and I'm gonna add a little bit of black to the corners and I'm gonna build it. So now I'm going to add the black. This is the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder in Chained Ballerina. And I'm gonna just add it in the corner, but like very slowly, because again, like I don't want to get too crazy with it.
There must be something that it features.
And I'm gonna take that same brush and kind of just like massage it into the eye. And then I'm going to use the color Biker. It's more of a gunmetal color, and I'm going to put it right on top of it.
She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. Like I told you guys, it is buildable.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I'm gonna use a brand new brush so I don't get the black glitter on.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that
now I'm gonna move on to the skin, and I'll go back into the eyes to make it even more dramatic. So lately I've been really into Fresh Beauty skincare, and this is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserved Face Cream. And I'm gonna put that all over my face.
In those Gucci slides, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's free.
Next I'm gonna do my eye cream. I'm gonna be using this Tatcha, the Silk Peony Eye Cream.
Lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
So I'm gonna actually take the Luxe palette, the diamond palette from Lorac, and I'm gonna take the color Caviar right here. I'm gonna add a little black right where the lash line is, so it's just like super dark.
She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.
So that way it's just like super focused and super smoky, and I feel like Lady Gaga always has that kind of makeup look. Next I'm gonna put on some primer. I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation. It's an amazing medium to full coverage foundation. I love it. I've been using it a lot.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see that.
For my concealer, I'm also going to be using Dose of Colors. This is the Meet Your Hue Concealer. I've actually never used this yet, so it's my very first time testing it on camera, and the shade I'm using is number 15 in light medium.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a
To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder.
up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to be using Benefit's Highbrow to highlight under my eyebrows.
Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so.
To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using Benefit's Precisely My Brow in shade number 4.
Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
I'm going to smoke out my under eyes with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang eyeliner in black.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
Go into my waterline on my top.
got her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to.
Now I'm going to take the HAUS Labs liquid eyeliner in the shade Punk and draw a wing.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the.
So sharp, I can really accurately draw a wing line.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa.
I'm not even just saying this. This might have been the easiest black eyeliner to do a winged line ever. I'm going to use one of my favorite lashes ever. This is the Batty Bee lashes in the style IG. I like these because they're spacey, so you can see the eyeshadow under, and I think that that's so pretty because, you know, when you do a nice glitter lid, you want people to see your makeup and not like have the entire lash cover the eyeshadow. So that's why I really like these.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet.
Take this palette again and go into the base color that we use, Posh. And I'm going to apply that on the bottom lash line.
Something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
And then I'm going to take the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder in the color Legend again, and I'm going to add the gold right in here, halfway, and then I'm going to add the black on the corners. I'm going to actually just take the brush, get it on the brush, and tap the glitter right on top of that eyeshadow.
So, what's under this subtle smile?
And then I'm going to take the Chained Ballerina, and I'm going to take that same brush, get a little bit of that, and I'm just going to add it to the outer corner, like very lightly like that. And then I'm going to do it to this side.
She got the posture of a superstar.
Next, I'm going to get the Marc Jacobs Noir Mascara.
Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
I'm going to take this MOTD Get Cheeky With It brush, and then I'm going to take the Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze in the shade Oscar.
The features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining.
And then I'm going to take this Laura Mercier La Palette Naturelle face palette, and I'm going to take this blush right here.
Once you get to meet her. me.
And then I'm gonna take the gold highlight that she has here.
Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hand.
And then I'm gonna take the HAUS Labs Rip Lip Liner in the shade Myth.
Making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that.
And then I'm gonna take the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder in the shade Rose Bitch. And I'm actually gonna put it on my lips as a lipstick, and then I'm gonna put a gloss over it.
You find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
And then I'm gonna take the HAUS Labs Le Riot Lip Gloss and add it on top of my lips.
You find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I love it. I feel like it just blended the whole lip together. And then I'm gonna set my face with Cover FX Rose Quartz Defense Crystal Infused Elixir Mist.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
And I'm all done.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walk.
Okay guys, so this is the final look of my HAUS Labs Pop Star makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. I love all of the products that I used today. They're so much fun. And even though I want to keep this, I did get a full goodie bag of everything in this collection from the party where I met Lady Gaga. So I'm actually giving this entire PR kit away. And sorry, I kind of like ripped the little mask thing. So you guys are gonna get like a little ripped version of the armor. So this is the full collection. All the rules are listed below. So yeah, good luck, and I want to give this to you guys too because I got to play with it and I love it, and I want you guys to have it because without you guys I would have never been able to meet her or receive this product. So yeah, all the rules are listed below, and good luck. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys want to check out HAUS Labs, everything is linked below and you can get it on Amazon right now. Thanks guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.
You find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to